హాయ్ వ్యూవర్స్, నేను మీ బస్వరాజు స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ అని ఈరోజు మీ ముందుకు తీసుకొచ్చింది ఒక ప్రాబ్లం. ఇది మీకు 10th క్లాసులో, ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో, అలాగే డిగ్రీ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. సో బిఫోర్ దట్ ద క్వశ్చన్ వి డిస్కస్ the simple concept of discrete random variable. So what is the discrete random variable? Discrete random variable means a random variable contains countable number of observations. That means it can take finite number of observations. For example, in this question we have to show one question. So in that question we have to give an x is a random variable. So in the random variable you have to take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 7. So these are called the random variables. So in the random variables we have to follow the probability mass function p of x. The probability if x is a discrete random variable, then it follow the function. The function is called probability mass function. The probability mass function. What is the probability mass function? Probability mass function, it satisfies the two condition. Then the two condition is satisfied, then it is called probability mass function. The probability mass function we can define that by the p of x. So here we have to given the p of x values. That means 0k, 2k, 2k, 3k, k square, 2k square, 7k square plus k. These are the probabilities. The probabilities are always positive. That is as a first thing. And the total probability equals to 1. That means the range of x 0 to 7. P of x equals to, ante the probability mass function, the total probability mass function equals to 1. So the total probability mass function equals to 1. So that we have to simplify that. So p of x equals to 0 plus p of x equals to 1 plus up to p of x equals to 7 equals to 1. So we have to given the values of 0 value, we get the 0, 1 probability k, 2 probability 2k, 3 probability 2k, and up to 7 probability 7k square plus k. Just we write down the value and equal to 1. So here we added the k values. The k values are 9 and square values are 10k square is equals to 1. So simply we can convert the factorials. So in that factorial we have to convert. So we get that 10 square plus 10k minus k minus 1 equals to 0. Here we have to take common for 10k. We get the k plus 1. And minus common for the minus 1 common for the next values, we get the value k plus 1. So here k plus 1 is a common value, we take that value, that is as a one factor. K plus 1 is equals to 0, and another factor 10k minus 1 is equals to 0. So we simplify the terms and we get the value, the k equals to 1 by the k equals to the term of k equals to 1 by 10 and k equals to minus 1. So k equals to 1 by 10 and k equals to 1. So already the very beginning of the video we discuss the probabilities are always positive. If write the k value equals to minus 1, so the probability of 1 minus 1, probability of 2 minus 2, and up to. So the probabilities are always positive, so we cannot use the negative value. So just we write the value of probability equals to k equals to 1 by 10. After we find out the value, we have to calculate the probability of x less than 6. That means we have to take the probability of x equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 5. So just we write down the probability values, 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square. Then we substitute the k value, automatically we get the value of 81 by 100. So and again we can find out the 1 value, that is as a probability of x greater than or equals to 6. So simply we write by using the probability value of x is less than or equal to 6. That means, so here we have to discuss the probability of success plus failure equal to one experiment concept. So this is called as a maybe failure case. Probability of x less than or equals to success case. So success plus failure equals to one experiment. As usually q equals to 1 minus p. The p value we have to find out 81 by 100. So 1 minus 81 by 100, automatically we get the 19 by 100. So this is a very important question in our examination, degree and intermediate and 10th class level. Thank you for the video, and please subscribe my channel, share and likes. Thank you everyone.